This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I will show how you can scan document into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the Google Drive app. Here it is. Then tap at this plus icon over there, choose the scan option, grant Drive app with the camera access or camera permission. Then take a photo of your document with it. Then proceed. Over here you can edit your scan, change its color scheme, or perhaps crop or frame the part of the raw photo you would like to include into the PDF file we are about to create. Sometimes it might be a little hard to drag this edges of the frame, but anyway, you can do that. Then hit the save button, rename the document if you want to, then hit the save button one last time, wait for it to be uploaded to your drive, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.